In this video, I'll show you how to compress multiple folders into their own separate individual zip files. Now, the default behavior in Windows is to take two folders and compress them to a single file. But what we're going to do now is we can take actually two folders and compress them into two separate zips. So in order to do this, we'll be using 7-zip software. It's free and open source, and I'm putting a link in the description below. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to your folder where you have your files, and you click on New Text Document. Okay, so now what you do now is you rename the file to whatever you want. I like to name it Combined, and change the file extension to BAT. Don't worry about the error, just click on Yes. Okay, so once this is done, you navigate to your favorite web browser, and in the address bar, you enter brunovincent.net/A7, brunovincent.net/A7. I'm also putting a link in the description below. And when the page loads up, you see you got different options: gzip, 7-zip, zip native. Zip native is usually the one I recommend, and that's the one I use. Select this one. And go back to your folder and edit the combined file and simply paste the code in and save it. Okay, once that's done, all you got to do is click on combine twice. And there you go. You got your ABC became abc.zip. If you like this video, please subscribe. This is a brand new channel and every little bit will help. If you have any questions or feedback, good or bad, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll reply to every single one of them. Something else that would also be nice is if you could state what type of viewer you are. For example, web developer, content creator, small business owner, or whatever occupation you have. This will help me to get a feel for what type of content to create in the future. Thanks for watching and I hope this solved your problem.